This is Winter, and this is our first attempt at Play-Doh surprise eggs. Yay! Say hi, Winter. She's a little shy. All right, Winter, show us our surprise eggs that we're gonna open. We wrapped these with Play-Doh earlier. And Winter is gonna open them for us and see what's inside. Go ahead, pick one to open. What color are you starting with?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Let's open it up. What's inside? What do you think is in there? Oh, goodness. What do we get? We got a... Does it have Play-Doh on it? We got a birthday cake Shopkins. Show us what it looks like. Show us all over. Oh, it got a little bit of Play-Doh on there. That's okay, we'll clean it off. Show us around the back. All over. Beautiful. Very nice. All right, let's put that on the table. Pick another egg to open. What's the next egg you're gonna do?
This one.
What color is that?
Orange.
An orange egg. Okay. Oh boy. What color Easter egg is inside? Oh, it already opened up a little bit. What'd you get in that one? Oh, a hat Shopkins. I'm sure we have the names of these Shopkins somewhere. Turn it around all the way. Here's his little face. There it is. Very cute. All right, it's a little cowboy hat. Put him next to the other one. All right, next egg. Ooh, what color is this one?
Red.
Red. Go ahead and open it. What do you think is going to be in this one? Oh, that one kind of crunched open too. What do we get? Ooh, what is that?
A pan or something?
Maybe kind of looks like a beret. Turn it around so we can see its face. Very cute. All right, put it on the next to the other ones. And let's go for another egg. We made these Play-Doh eggs ourselves. It was our first try. Go ahead. Ooh, a purple egg inside of there.
Whoa.
Whoa! Ooh, what's that one? Looks like a sausage. Is it a sausage?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Show it to us up close. Very nice. All right, and we have one more egg. It's a pink one that's kind of mixed with red and purple and some green. We got our Play-Doh colors mixed up last time we were playing with it. It's our last egg to open. Ooh, this one's a little harder, huh?
No.
Let's see. Got a little green Easter egg inside. And whoa, that's a super cool looking boot.
It's not a boot. It's a ace. It's a. What is it, Mama?
I don't know, is it a...
Ice skate?
No? Maybe a snow boot?
I'm just calling it ice skate.
It's like a high top. All right. Now let's get all of our Shopkins. Wait, we're missing one. We opened 5 eggs. Where's the sausage? All right, and these are the Shopkins we got. Oops. There we go. Very cool. All right, Winter, say bye-bye for now.